Okay, so good evening, everybody. Here we are. We've got two gorgeous, gorgeous T-bone steaks there, and we're going to cook them on the new Chimenea. Now, here's the Chimenea. It's also got a barbecue section as well, a barbecue grill that goes on it. So we're going to cook those T-bone steaks on here this evening, and we're just going to see how well it goes. First of all, I've got one of these self-lighting bags in there, so I'm just going to light the bag up just to start the barbecue off. There we go. Just going to start that off. Just close the lid, oh, not the lid, the actual front of it there. Just let that gently set itself on fire, and then once, shut up Mrs T, and then once that's started and got going, we'll come back to you. Catch you again shortly.
Oh, it smells like fire.
So there we are, all lit and just firing up those coals. So we're going to wait for those to, well, calm down a bit, get nice and hot. Just to let you know, everybody, we are doing this on a decking. We always have a good can there of water, just in case. But, yeah.
It's wonderful, it looks lovely.
It is. Let's just stoke it up, and then we can stick the barbecue grill on there and have those T-bone steaks. Okay, so here we are, nice red hot coals. Now, first thing that we've realised is you need to put this in as soon as you have actually set fire to the barbie.
Or before even?
No, you can't do it because it doesn't give you enough room to do it
Okay.
really. But do it just after you've done it, because we had to use oven gloves and all sorts of things to get this actually in place because it was so hot. But that is the only tip we've got to give you on that one. But it's a lovely hot barbie. We've got two really nice T-bones here. So I'm going to put, all right, stop whimpering.
Sorry, I love them.
Stick one on there like that. I'm going to stick the other one on there like that.
God, I love my T-bones.
And then we're going to just trundle that inside like that
Oh, it makes it look so easy.
and start cooking. Now, look at that. So, T-bones on the top there. We always get them thumb thick. Sitting on the top there. Nice barbie. Now, the thing I like about this, you can push it right in there. You can bring it out. You can actually gauge it. So if you want a little bit of cooking there but keep things warm here, then that's great. But yeah, pop those in there. Let's get those.
Oh, it's getting the fat, isn't it?
It is.
That's what it is.
And that's really good because we don't need them to sit in there and cook for, a long time. It's just whiz it on one side, turn them over, whiz them on the other.
The smell.
Yeah, perfect.
Oh,
so
God.
there you go. We'll come back to you again shortly. Okay, we've been on there 5 minutes, so we're going to take that out and just give these steaks just a quick turn over. This is all new, so bear with me. Oh, look at that. That is looking good. Absolutely
I'm going to get my light. Hang on.
looking good.
Sorry, I upset everybody there by doing whatever I needed to do. Hang on. There, look at that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
got some good steaks there.
Oh, look at that.
Okay, so I'm going to wallop that in there for another 5 minutes. And we'll come back to you. Okay, that was about another 3 minutes, I think. 3 or 4 minutes, do you think, Mrs T? So let's just give this another turn. One more turn, I think, just to make sure that we're going to get these steaks just nicely cooked.
They're big bits of cow.
They are big bits of cow. We're not particularly rare eaters as far as rare steaks. We like them sort of medium, so I think they're coming up pretty medium now. So we're going to slide that back in.
That's really cool, actually, that slidey in thing. You
Absolutely,
keep sliding
yeah.
it in and sliding it out.
It's fantastic. And what I'm really looking forward to is when we start eating these, we can then chuck on a log and have a chimenea. I like this because it does both things. It's that little barbecue just for the two of us, and it gives us that chimenea as well. So, yeah, we'll come back to you again in a second or so. Right then, here we are. It's about another 3 or 4 minutes, 3 minutes I think later. And we're going to dish up now.
Oh my God, look at that.
Get these 2 steaks. There's one.
We cooked that on a chimenea.
One beautiful T-bone. There's one.
Oh, look. Oh.
And then we have that second one as well. Look at that. I don't think we're going to eat much with it either, are we?
Oh no, we never do now.
No.
We used to put salad with it and potatoes. It's like, no, we're not going to do that because we don't eat it all.
Yeah, that is delicious, isn't it?
It's just called. Oh, I'm dribbling. Sorry, it's just called protein.
Excellent. Right, we're going to come round here.
Oh, what are we
Have a
doing?
look here. We're going to serve up these 2 and we're going to eat them.
Oh look, there's wine there. Look, do you think we should show the wine?
Well, no. There you go.
Oh yeah.
There you go. No wine.
No.
And more wine.
No.
Wine. Okay. Right, we're going to eat these and then we're going to come back to you in just a second. Well, not just a second, because it might take us a little bit longer to eat those. And then we're going to show you the chimenea as a chimenea.
Yes.
Back again in a second.
Oh, yep.
Right then, here we are. We've taken the grill off. We've got some of those barbecue sort of burny loggy log things.
Burny loggy log
Well,
things.
whatever, you can get them from supermarkets, you can get them from garden centres and...
Generally known as a burny loggy log thing.
Yeah, that's it. So we've got those in there now. We're going to close the lid. Just like that. There we go.
Does look pretty, doesn't it?
And we are now settled down for the evening.
How exciting.
Perfect. The old chimenea is chimeneering. Look, I just wanted to share that with you because a chimenea is not just a chimenea.
Chimenea, chimenea, chiroo. Oh, sorry.
Okay, thank you very much. But it's also a barbecue. Well, certainly this one is. We've never thought of them as barbecue until we started looking at them online. So there you go. A chimenea with a barbecue grill. So it's just everything you need.
A chimenea is for life, not just for Easter.
Yeah, silent pause.
Okay.
So please give us a thumbs up if you found that of interest. Okay, if you're in the market for a chimenea or you're looking for a barbecue or something that is like here, we've got both, then have a look at it. Why not? It's another option. If you want to subscribe, please hit that red button and subscribe, because the more you subscribe, the more we can bring you little things like this. We will hopefully be back in the tin tent very soon.
God, I hope so.
But if we're not, we're going to try and bring you all sorts of things from home. Look, I hope you're well. I hope you're staying safe. Protect yourselves, protect the NHS, stay safe, save lives.
Stay at home.
Thanks very much for watching. Love you.